አይቸው I am mathematics teacher. Now let me teach grade 10 mathematics starting from unit 5. That means unit 5 trigonometric function. Before starting this trigonometric function, let me introduce some ideas related on trigonometric function. That means you know different kinds of triangles: right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and other triangles. Therefore, using this related idea, you will be learn different concepts related to these triangles. Trigonometric function mean, the term trigonometry mean triangle, measurement, and trigonometric function mean function related to angle measurement. That mean there are four main contents related to trigonometry. On this chapter, there are four main contents. That mean the main contents are the first one 5.1 basic trigonometric function. The second one for 5.2 mean reciprocal of basic trigonometric function. The third content 5.3 simple trigonometric identity. And the last one, 5.4, applications of this trigonometric function. These are the main contents that are seen in this chapter. Let me introduce some introductory idea for these contents. The first one, basic trigonometric function mean the base for this chapter. That means chapter 5 relates on basic trigonometric function. What are the base of the basic function for this chapter? That are sine, cosine, and tangent functions are the basic function for this chapter. This will be seen detailedly. And the next one, reciprocal of basic trigonometric function mean what are the reciprocal function for the given the above basic trigonometric function. These basic trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, and tangent function. There is a reciprocal function for this basic trigonometric function. The first one, cosecant function, secant function, and cotangent function. These are reciprocal of this basic trigonometric function. Therefore, in the second content, we will detailedly see the reciprocal of trigonometric function. There is identity, that means related to Pythagoras identity. There is identity of trigonometry. I will see that one in 5.3. And also the last one, any mathematics have their own application. Therefore, trigonometric function have their application. Therefore, this application mean there is a certain variety of application related on trigonometry. These applications are detailedly seen in the application of trigonometric function. These are the main contents seen in this chapter, the whole. Let me see the first part. Let me see the first content of this chapter, basic trigonometric functions. That means this is 5.1, 5.11 sine, cosine, and tangent function. Before discussing sine, cosine, and tangent function, there is more terminologies that are used in the whole chapter. That means basic terminologies that are used to see or used in the whole chapters. The first one, what is angle in standard position mean? Angle in standard position mean, what is angle? Angle first. There is denoted by the whole theta. This angle theta, what is the angle theta mean first? Angle theta mean, there is initial position and there is terminal position and there is vertex on the xy plane. That means there is xy plane here. From this xy plane, there is a ray. This ray has B point here, and also this axis has A point here. There is an angle here. This angle is theta. This angle is theta. Therefore, what is the initial position of theta? Here is origin O. Therefore, what is the initial position of theta? OA is initial position. And OB is terminal position. Therefore, this angle has initial position and what? Terminal position. The initial position of this angle theta is OA. The terminal position of this angle theta is OB. Therefore, there is two in this initial position and terminal position. From this, this region is known as angle theta. The whole chapter is considered with this angle theta. Therefore, this angle theta is used in the whole chapter. Therefore, the next part, what is an angle in standard position mean? An angle in standard position mean there is vertex at the origin O, and also the initial position is the x-axis. This is xy plane. Therefore, always in standard position angle, always the initial position is x-axis, and the terminal position is anywhere in 4 quadrants. Therefore, standard position angle mean an angle initial position at x-axis and there is origin vertex. This angle is known as standard position angle. Therefore, on standard position angle, there is different quadrants in all this xy plane. There are 4 quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. That means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. These are 4 quadrants on xy plane. These 4 quadrants used to indicate which angle lies in which quadrant. That means first quadrant angle, second quadrant angle, third quadrant angle, and fourth quadrant angle. The terminal position of angle theta is in first quadrant. The angle is known as first quadrant angle. The terminal position of theta is in second quadrant. The angle is known as second quadrant angle. The terminal position of theta is in third in third quadrant, therefore the angle is known as third quadrant angle. The terminal position of theta is in fourth quadrant, therefore the angle is known as what? Fourth quadrant angle. Therefore these are four quadrants that are the angle lays. What is the angle lays on the xy plane? Xy plane means this point or here or this point or this point. What is the name of this angle? This angle is known as quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angle mean quadrantal angle. What is this quadrantal angle mean? Quadrantal angle mean angle that lays on the x-axis or y-axis. X-axis mean this horizontal axis and y-axis mean this vertical axis. Therefore, quadrantal angle is an angle lays on the y-axis or on the x-axis. Therefore, these angles are known as quadrantal angles. That mean here 0 degree, here 90 degree, here 180 degree, and also here 270 degree, and rotate from the initial position here 360 degree. These angles are known as quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles are not lay in each quadrant. That means 90 degree is not first quadrant angle, not second quadrant angle. It is known as what? Quadrantal angles. These are the main basic terminologies that are used to consider in all chapters. Now let me discuss what is radian measures of an angle mean. There is a angle is measured by in radian or in degree. Therefore, radian measure of an angle is the same as measuring a certain angle with initial position and terminal position. This means there is a circle here, there is center here or is center of the circle, and there is radius r, and also there is intercepted arc here. This intercepted arc is known as S. Here is theta, angle theta. Therefore, what is theta in radian measure mean? Theta in radian measure mean the ratio of the subtended arc divided by the radius is known as radian measures of theta. This means radian measures of theta measures of theta mean equals, this means the subtended arc is S divided by the radius r. This is known as radian measures of a certain angle theta. For example, here, converts 360 degree to radian. How to convert this to radian mean? 360 degree mean a full rotation. That means circle. That means circumference of a circle. 360 degree mean a circumference of a circle. Therefore, circumference of a circle is circumference of circle equals 2 pi r. There is radius r here. That means the radius is r. This radius is r. Therefore, radian measures of 360 degree mean theta in radian mean equals S over what? R. What is S? A circumference of a circle. What is R? This radius from the center to one point of a circle. Here, substitute this value, 2 pi r divided by the radius r. This means r is cancelled by r. Therefore, what is the value of this one? 2 pi radian. Therefore, 360 degree mean the same as 2 pi radian. 2 pi rad. Therefore, a full rotation has value of in degree 360 degree. In radian mean 2 pi radian. Therefore, this is how to convert 360 degree to radian. Therefore, there is a conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. The first rule to convert degree radian to degree multiplied by to convert radian to degree multiplied by a given radian by 180 degree over pi. That means, for example, here convert pi into degree. How to convert this pi into degree measure? This means to convert radian to degree multiplied by a given radian by 180 degree. This means theta in degree mean theta in degree equals pi times 180 degree over pi. Here pi is cancelled by pi. Pi is cancelled by pi. Therefore, this means the same as what? 180 degree. Therefore, pi is converted into degree 180 degree. 180 degree is exactly the same as pi. Therefore, to convert radian to degree, multiply a given radian measure by 180 degrees. This is the conversion of radian to degree. The next one, how to convert degree to radian. Here, convert radian to degree. The next one, to convert what? Degree to radian. To convert a degree measure to radian multiplied by these reciprocals, that means pi over 180 degree. Multiply the given degree measure by pi over 180 degree gives radian measures of a certain angle. Let me see. Rule 2, the second rule, to convert degree to radian, multiply by pi over 180 degree. To convert radian to degree multiplied by 180 degree over pi, but to convert degree to radian multiplied by the reciprocal of that one, that means pi over 180 degree. Therefore, this means radian measure equals degree multiplied by, degree multiplied by pi over 180 degree. This is the ratios that are multiply a given degree by 180 degree over pi over 180 degree. That means, for example, here 30 degree is converted to radian. This 30 degree multiplied by pi over 180 degree. Therefore, 30 degree in radian measure mean the same as, this means the same as, here, let me simplify this term. There is a loss term here. This is cancelled by here. This means the same as what? 3 pi over 1/8. 0 is cancelled by 0 here. Therefore, how to simplify this one? This means the same as 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 6. Therefore, pi over 6. This means 30 degree means the same as pi over 6 in rad. This is how to convert. Therefore, the main idea, the main terminologies that are used in the whole chapter is the first one. What is standard position angle mean? Standard position angle, an angle with initial side on the x-axis and there is origin vertex, and also angle lays in first quadrant, in second quadrant, in third quadrant, or in fourth quadrant. The angles that are not lay in the first quadrant, in the second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant are quadrantal angle. Quadrantal angles are lay on what? The x-axis or y-axis. This is the basic one. The next, to convert radian to degree multiplied by 180 degree over pi. To convert degree to radian multiplied by what? Pi over 180 degree. These are the basic terminologies that are used in the whole chapter. The next part, what is a definition of sine, cos, and tan? That means the basic definition of sine, cos, and tan. This means what is, this is the next part. What is the definition of sine, cos, and tan? Using right angle triangle. That means using a certain right angle triangle. You know, in lower grade, in grade 8 or in grade 7, what is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent? This is the parts of a certain right angle triangle. Using this right angle triangle, how to find the values of sine, cos, and tan are learned in lower grade. Now, what is sine, cos, and tan on a certain xy plane? This is this lesson is continue in the next part. Let me give examples related to converting radian measure to degree and degree measure to radian measure. The first example, convert 270 degree to radian. This is the first one. B, convert pi over 3 rad to degree. This means conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. That means convert 270 degree to radian mean what is the multiplying factor to convert radian degree to radian. This means the first one 270 degree is converted to radian. This means the same as multiplied by what? Pi over what? 270 degree multiplied by what? Pi over 180 degree. This mean 270 degree, degree is cancelled here and 0 is cancelled here. What is the simplified form? 27 pi over 1/8. 27 pi over 1/8 mean, this mean converted to, this is converted to in lowest term by 9 3 pi by 9 2. Therefore 270 degree mean 3 over 2 pi rad. What is the next one? How to convert pi over 3 into degree? This means what is the conversion factor for converting radian to degree? The conversion factor to convert radian to degree is 180 degree over pi. This means, this is the first one. B mean, let me convert this one. Pi over 3 mean, this mean pi over 3 multiplied by 180 degree over pi. This mean pi is cancelled by pi, and also 180 degree divided by 3, it gives what? It gives 60 degree. This mean pi over 3 in rad is the same as 60 degree, 60 in degree. Therefore, you can convert radian to degree to what? Radian. Therefore, these are the basic terminology that are used to. Therefore, let me generalize these ideas. The first idea, what is an angle in standard position mean? What is first quadrant angle, second quadrant angle, third quadrant angle, and fourth quadrant angle mean? And also, what is quadrantal angle mean? The main to conversion part is converting radian to degree and degree to radian. These are basic terminologies that are used to all part of the chapter. The next we continue basic definitions of sine, cosine, and tangent function. That are the basic parts of this unit. That mean what is sine function, what is cos function, what is tangent function, and also what is their graph, what is the properties of the graph of these three basic functions are seen in the next part. Now let me give an activity that are do in the next. I will continue next lesson by doing these activities. You must be doing yourselves. Next class we continue definition of sine, cosine, and tangent function. Bye.